Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video. Today I was just kind of feeling in the mood to do something relaxing and fun, so I thought let's try something new. For my birthday I got the Sunshine Town bookend kit. It's a miniature set that you have to put together yourself, and I thought it would be really fun to do this with you, so I kind of sped it up and you can do it with me or you can just watch how I do it. I think it's just really fun to do and watch. I did already start working on this before, so I'm not starting from the beginning but somewhere right in the middle, but I thought it's kind of just like a relaxing activity that I can share with you. So please let me know if you like this type of content, because I really enjoy doing stuff like this. I do think it kind of fits into the whole DIY vibe of my channel. I also have painting my number, which I also really enjoy to do, so let me know if you like stuff like this, or maybe if I talk you through it or give you tips. I think it's really fun to do, and I'd like to do it more often if you like it as well. Today's shout out is going to Marvelous Wifey. Thank you so much for your comment. I know you've been following me for a while and I really appreciate you. If you also want a chance at a shout out, comment something down below and enjoy the video.
Charlie Brown, I can tell you what Christmas is all about. Lights, please. Tidings of great joy.
that was everything that I did today. So again, please let me know if you like this type of videos, if you like to watch this, because I really would like to do it more often. Maybe I could make these videos longer, like 15 minutes or something like that. Anyway, if you liked it, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye, I love you!